Oxidization that's come off.
We got you.
You got me.
Is it a V8?
No.
Does the information that I'm about to provide equate? Can it be transferred to a V8?
Yeah.
Good. Because what are you looking for?
I'm looking for arcing lines.
You're looking for a misfire. Yeah, but okay. So I looked at this one.
Yeah.
Okay, and then I looked at this one. Oh no, I didn't. I looked at this one. I looked at this one, and then I dropped the little thing down there.
That's it there.
Oh, you got it out.
Yeah,
Well done.
I got it, fingered it.
And then I looked. There's a hole. You've got to stick your finger in it, eh?
It was. Yeah.
I couldn't get it. I've been there first. Then I looked at this one.
Yeah.
Okay. And then I went to this one, and what I suggested to you was to wrap tape around them, didn't I?
Yes.
So I want you to wrap a little bit of insulation tape, and this is a diagnosis. And this is just to prove to you that this is the problem one, and I'm almost certain it's the problem one.
Yeah.
And so up here's nice and soft and supple.
Yeah.
It's a little bit harder, but it's okay.
Yeah.
And then if we look in here, inside here,
Yeah.
we look at where, if there's any, we call it flashing marks, and there'll be like little burn marks up here where it's actually run up or down.
Yeah.
It runs down the side of the spark plug because the spark plug's coming from the top. Gravity helps it go down, helps it fall into the spark plug. So we look for flashing marks, and there's no flashing marks. But what we're looking for, and I've seen this millions of times because I spent a lot of time tuning cars, is right there.
True. Holy moly, are you serious?
And so what it's doing
Dude,
there...
yeah, I can see it.
Can you see it now?
Yeah.
Can I
and there's a little like...
Let me get it on camera, but you can see it clear as day now.
Yeah. There's even like a little sort of halo around it.
Turn it to... Yeah, there it is.
Yeah? The halo, like...
That's it.
Yeah.
So that's a burn mark. It's actually jumping a spark through there. So under high load, so when you're really wanting a lot of KVs to fire those plugs,
Yeah.
then that there is misfiring.
Fuck yeah. You're the man. Fuck,
Okay.
I don't know how you've even seen that. Years of experience, right?
Yeah, I probably don't masturbate as much as you.
Yeah, I'm blind. I'm going blind. And deaf. And I'm losing my hair and I need new teeth. Yep.
So if you put some tape around it,
Yep.
the misfire will go away as to prove the point.
Yeah.
So just don't get too much tape out here because it's going to struggle to fit.
Yeah.
Okay, so you might get like one layer, but if you tuck it nicely into here so it comes onto there, and we'll get you another set of leads, eh? I'll buy you a new set of leads. Shout you a new set of leads because you worked so hard last night.
Should we go to the Wreckers and just have an afternoon here? Like?
Well, these were the ones you got from the wrecker. And the problem is they
true.
came with this engine that you've changed. And you did a beautiful job of changing the engine. And it's nice and clean. Look, you can just about eat off it. And they're the ones that came with the engine. So it's we'll probably give it a birthday. You like your little Corolla. I'll shout you a set of leads, eh?
I do like the Corolla.
Yeah, so, okay, good.
Is it one of those cars that suits me?
Yeah, well, good. We'll get leads. So, but that's, and we see it on the UZs, and that's why people, when they look at the leads, and they might run the multimeter over them, check the resistance.
Yeah, I've done that. Yeah.
But they won't pick up that there's that little tiny burn mark.
Yeah,
right?
they're not gonna pick up that arcing once it's hot.
Correct.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sometimes if you pull spark plugs out too, you'll see the flash marks. You'll see the black burn marks, but this one, of course.
Because I have seen the flash marks. Because is that a flash mark?
No,
No.
I would call that arcing.
Yeah.
So the flashing mark, so the proper word of flashing is when it's bouncing up the edge of the spark plug and you've got black marks. So then what happens is people change the spark plug, but they don't change the lead, and it's still damaged. And then a few weeks later, it just follows that same easiest track. Spark will always take the easiest track to ground.
Yeah. Least resistance.
Past the least resistance, yeah.
Because I've seen them they've got these like white lines.
That's it. That's why they get a white. They'll get a white line on one side and a black line on the other.
Yeah. Oh, cool. Okay. Yeah. Oh, is it a new one? There it is. Is there a baby lamb in here?
And no, there are no lambs in there, I don't think. You need a cheering up. So I got something for something that you love.
Whatever. Oh yes, is that my leads? How'd you get those so quick?
Well, I ordered them.
Fuck, that's quick, man. That's like been like 3 days. Fucking they're brand spankers too. Jesus Christ.
Have you ever
Thank
had?
you. Thank you.
Have you ever had brand new leads?
Once, yeah, when I done my car, Eagles.
Oh, they're not even proper ones. So these are proper leads. Right, you can put them on. Make sure you put them on before you go home.
Yes. Cool banana.